Okay, there we go. So, spent about 20 minutes just sorting them out. So they're now nicely in line. You see there, still got the bit of springing, but they should be all brought up to the 26mm that we need. So, going to get it all back together, get it back on the bike. Fingers crossed, hopefully it's sorted. By the way, this thing here has been an absolute godsend. I just made it, it was a divider in a like a cash box, plastic cash box thing. Nice gauge of thick plastics. Would well advise just making something like this. I mean, I just measured, made pencil kind of markings on there where the measurements were, hacksawed down here, and the rest of it just Stanley blade through it. Absolutely fantastic piece of kit, and one I'm going to put in a drawer somewhere. Try not to lose it so I can use it again. Power of YouTube, fantastic. Back on the bike. And so far no leaks, so far we're looking good. See if I can get it running up, fuel's on. I know there's fuel there, I've opened up the outlets. And okay, so far so good.